All right, everybody, welcome back to The Discount. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week. I wanted to jump on here real quick to do a quick crypto market update. This is some nasty price action, very weird price action. Nonetheless, we are still somewhat in this range. We have broken it to the downside a little bit. And you might be wondering, well, what the heck is Bitcoin going to do next and where is it right now? Well, as we said last week, we are still in this range. And you can certainly trade the range. It's getting much more difficult to trade this range. This is just some nasty price action to the downside. Typically what I've seen come out of this type of pattern is a surprise pop to the upside that's a failed pattern. Now, since we've pierced it, I might be looking for a short scenario somewhere in the $3,800 to $3,700 range. And I would probably use spot and not leverage and trade it against this high. Reason being is the markets are extremely extended. I'm not talking just about crypto. I'm talking about the NASDAQ. I'm talking about the S&P 500. And what we're on the lookout for now is some type of pullback. Does the pullback have to happen? Absolutely not. But when things are getting this extended, you're starting to get your contrarian antennas perked up a little bit since we've been long in many different positions this entire ride. And you're saying, well, this was a really ugly move towards the lower end of this range, and it's just been dripping and dripping and dripping. Now, what I would have liked to see is this candle right here, this one right here, close a little bit lower towards the end of the range to be able to be more confident in a short position if we get some type of rally up into the middle end of that range again. But we just take what the market gives us. Let's clean this up. If and when Bitcoin comes back up into that mid-level of this range, I'm going to be very, very on guard on how it's going to be reacting at 30,700 and 30,800. That 30,500 is a very important mid-range point as well. But if we break out here and retest that 3,500, that might not be a bad area to start adding into shorts. And again, it would be wrong, obviously, above that high. And where would you be looking to play that short to the downside? Well, here's our risk up here, and that's a pretty tight risk if we're looking for the ultimate downside target for this pattern. And it's called the Bart Simpson pattern, believe it or not. We're going to be looking for a big move down to that 2,700, the 28,000, 28,000, and even all the way down towards $27,000 and $25,000 level. Look to take profit at this high right here. That would be take one profit, and then take profit two would be around 27,000. So that's the short side setup. Of course, we have our spot Bitcoin longs here for the macro move up to 35,000. But in terms of hedging to the short side, I think this is a great risk reward setup, and it would be wrong above this high right here. So let's clean this up. Zoom back out just a little bit. What is this? This is still in an uptrend. It's still very bullish. It's in a bullish uptrend. Right? We have the low, we have the higher low, we have the higher low. So what would we be looking for that short? Well, again, it's wrong above here. We look for some type of rally, right? Some rally into that 20 or that $30,800 level, give or take. And again, we look for that pullback into that trend line again. Let's draw a trend line here. This right here is really where you want to be looking to take the ultimate profit on that short target. I think that would be totally normal and people will think it's over, but it's really just coming back down to retest the breakout area, right? This breakout area right here where it took off, and this very important trend line. So that's the game plan for right now for Bitcoin to hedge our spot long position. As well, we have some day trading call outs in the Telegram channel. So head on over there. The link is in the description. Now let's head on over to Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty interesting. It's not showing the strength that you love to see. If Bitcoin is going to continue strength and the short is going to be wrong, you really want to see Ethereum hold up here base out and take off to the upside. This important level here again at 1831, super important level. That's what we want to see hold up. Spot long, whatever long you may be, you really don't want to see it get below this pivot right here. That would be a trend break. If we clean this up a little bit, comes back in here, that would obviously be a great entry to add to longs. But if it doesn't and it breaks, what are we really looking for? Well, it breaks here. It could fake everyone out, stop some people out at this pivot low, and come back in and resume uptrend. That's absolutely a possible scenario here. But again, we're talking about the most bullish scenario for Ethereum as the catch-up trade. We talked about the Russell 2000 in traditional markets being similar to Ethereum as the catch-up trade, meaning this has lagged the entire Bitcoin move, and we're looking to capture that catch-up gain that Ethereum should give if markets are going to continue strength. So again, we want to see this hold up on that level here for more upside. Ultimate target for the upside move on Ethereum again is that 2400 level. Important Fibonacci retracement. So we're going to be on the lookout in the Telegram channel for which move both Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to make. Not interested in shorting Ethereum at this time. Bitcoin's the extended character. We're going to go with hedging our bets and hedging our longs with potentially shorting Bitcoin. If you're new to crypto trading or if you're looking to make a change to a new platform, we are currently trading on Femax. It is US friendly crypto trading platform. We are in here trading every single day, making call outs in the Telegram channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to message us on Telegram or on Twitter. The link to Femax is in the description of this channel. Head on over there. Let us know that you registered on Femax and we will be glad to help you out. Also, we have partnered up with Coin Market Manager. It is the #1 automated journaling tool for crypto traders. All you have to do is automatically connect your crypto exchange to Coin Market Manager via API, and you have an automated journal to tell you where you are wrong, where you've been right, how you can get better, your trade history, and analytics all in one amazing tool, guys. I know journaling is tough manually. So after you're done trading, all you have to do is come in here and look at every single trade you've made automatically. The link to Coin Market Manager as well is in the description. Let us know if you've registered. We'll be glad to walk you through and help you out there as well. Looking forward to seeing you guys here in the Telegram channel. Head on over. We have had such a run with these trades. Look at some of these trades that we've called out. Up over 300%, 200%, 100% on these short squeeze calls. And we are just getting started. We call out swing trades, day trades every single day. Head on over here if you're not in there already, and have a great rest of your week.